So I guess you want to use your SRAM AXS cassette on your Wahoo Kickr Core, and then you have a slight problem because it does not come with an XDR free hub. So you need to get one of these things. I got mine straight from the Wahoo website. It got delivered to my home a couple of days later, and installing it is quite straightforward. I'm going to show you how I did it, and you should be ready within half an hour or so. You will need a couple of tools. You will need the things you need to remove a cassette, so a chain whip and a cassette tool, and then you will also need a size 17 spanner and a little bit of grease. Let's dive straight into it. Start by using the size 17 wrench to remove the free hub that the Kickr comes with. It should come off quite easily. Simply unscrew the end cap and pull off the body. Your XDR free hub comes in 3 parts: the body, an end cap, and a spacer ring. You don't need the spacer for SRAM AXS, which is XDR, but save it in case you ever want to install an XD cassette. Keep the end cap nearby because we'll need it in a second. Now simply slide on the new hub and rotate until we feel it engage. Screw on the new lock nut and tighten it until it feels snug. Put a dab of grease on the thread. Your future self will thank you once you want to take it back off. Next, slip your cassette onto the body and use your cassette tool to tighten it. Don't go crazy on the torque. You don't need to use more force than you can apply with an open hand. And finally, don't forget to put your Wahoo spacers back on both sides. I hope this helped you. If it did, just remember to give the video a like so other people can find it, and enjoy riding your bike.